Hi everyone, welcome to JMeter tutorial. Today in this tutorial, I will show you how to find logs in Apache JMeter. Logs are very important because they help us understand what happening during a test and they make it easier to debug errors when something goes wrong. Before we start, make sure to subscribe to SQL World so you do not miss any upcoming testing tutorials. So let's begin. Open Apache JMeter and click on option. Inside these options, you can view log viewer and log level. If you want to view logs, so click on log viewer and inside you can view logs. First, you need to define here. Suppose you want to view errors, you want to view only errors, so you need to select error and here you can view setting root log level error. So you can set here warning information. So here you can select error or information, so you can easily view logs. Now click on error, so here you can view root log level error. For now, click on information. Now we can view information here. And the second option for view logs in JMeter, open JMeter folder. And inside this JMeter folder, open bin folder and click on this folder, which is JMeter. And here you can view date and time, setting, error log level error, setting error log level error. So you can view logs here. Let's create a new request. Click on right click on this test plan, add thread, and then click on thread group. Inside this thread group, we can view number of threads, ramp up periods, loop count. Here we can set in number of users. So here select here information and here you can view log level information. Let's create a new request. For adding a request in this thread group, add sampler and then click on HTTP request. In HTTP request, select here method. If you want to fetch any data from the server or you want to retrieve any data, so you need to select get method and then enter URL and path here and protocol HTTP or HTTPS. So every information you can view here, information, and now enter URL and path here, open Chrome browser, and this is the complete URL. In this URL, this is the base URL and this is the path. So we will enter URL and path in HTTP request. We can change the name here. So suppose you want to perform the testing on registration page. So here enter register and then enter complete URL here first. Enter protocol in protocol section, which is HTTPS, and the server name is parabank.parasoft.com, and then enter path here in path section. In this scenario, you do not need to select any method, just click on get. Let's add listener here for view result. Click on add listener and then click on view result tree. Here multiple listeners are available: summary report, aggregate report, aggregate graph. This all the listeners are available under this listener section. Click on view result tree. Let's clear all the result. If you want to clear these logs, so just click on this clear all logs will be cleared. And if any request you want to clear, so you can click on clear all. Now we can run the test. So click on start It will ask for you should want to save test plan before running it. If you want to save this test plan, so you can save first and this test case will be executed. Now click on no, and here we can view request. As you can view here, a request. In the request, error count 0 if any error occur in this request. So you can view in sampler result error count 0. This is the data type, response code 200, response message. Okay. In the log section, you can view here complete logs here. You can view here thread starting one thread for group, thread group. Thread will continue on error. This is the number of threads, ramp up periods, and started thread group number 1, and all the logs available here. This is SSL session context per thread. Same as well, you can view logs in this file, JMeter logs file. You can view all the logs here inside this log file. So that's how you can easily find any related logs in JMeter. The main benefits of using logs are that they help you quickly identify errors, understand request failures, and optimize your test scripts. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more JMeter and software testing tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.